Welcome to SQL06. Today we are going to see on direct loading from flat file to flat files. And also we can know about how we can do the dynamic linking also. Today we are going to see. Let's start. I have created the two files, that is for that one source and another one is target. When we see in the source, only one file I kept as of now, okay, and when we see in the target, there is no data is available. The data will be presented after moving in the data into the target, that is after running our the particular mappings. Here data will be present. Now create that flat file to flat file mapping. First go to new, then go to mapping here, then create the one mapping. Once you are creating that particular mapping, okay, it is automatically show with a source as well as a target. It will be shows, that is two objects it is showing here. Just change your this mapping name. I'm giving my mapping name as m underscore flat file to flat file. Okay, flat file to flat file I'm giving here as of now. Okay, then take your sources. Maximize your windows. Take your sources. Here I'm giving my connection, source connection, it is flat file source only. Okay, I already take that one object. In the last videos only I kept one object here. Just take this file, okay, and check that preview data. Once you are previewing the data, this country ID it is a character format, country name it is character format, and region ID it is integer format it is presented. Whenever we are taking that flat files, okay, all the fields it is default, it will be shown to us in the form of string format only. So we should change that string, the data type it is to the integer data type we should change. See here region ID it is presented the string data type, but it is original it is integer data type. We can change this one with help of that edit metadata. Go to option and move on to that edit metadata. Then we have that option one native type it is there. Okay, now change here number and also change the precision 4 based on our length. Okay, now move on to the target. Okay, once you are move on to the target, go to the target here, okay, and take your connections. I'm already created my flat file connection target for the target file. Now select it. Okay, in the last video we are creating that is the target it is based on the existing only datas. Now I'm creating that my target it is in the options of create new at runtime. Okay, here we are getting that one option static file name. Static file name it is nothing but we are giving that the file name it will be present when you are running the mapping, and the status is succeed means the file name it is presented in our target file location, target file location. This file name it will be go and present it. Okay, my static file name I'm giving as of now department underscore tgt. Okay, so this is my target file names. Okay, so this is static file name. Where I am creating the static file name means I am creating on the new at runtime. If I give that option new at runtime means we can get the file name, we can get that all the data file getting the data when we are run that sessions. Okay, just click on the OK here. Once you are clicking OK means it will take this object it will be take it. Whenever you are giving that option new at runtime, we could not able to see that preview data. Okay, and also you don't know that what is that fields also we can't able to get it. because here we are giving that option, it is create the new what runtime. And also we can't able to do that field mapping also. Just save your mapping. Once you are saving the mapping means it will be move on to the status is valid or invalid. Now our status is valid. Once the status it is valid means we do the run options. Okay, once you are running means we can select our runtime environment here. Okay, I'm choosing my runtime environment because there only I gave my connections as well as I kept my all the objects. I'm choosing my runtime environment and enter the run options. Okay, so it will be redirect to that my jobs positions. Okay, now the status of our in the monitor it is starting. Then refresh this page. Once you are refreshing means we can able to get it the state it is running. Then we can able to know about that success or failed rows. Everything we can get it. Okay, refresh the status. Now see here 25 records it's populated. Okay, now click on this instance name. Once you are clicking on means our total record in the source is 25 rows and in target 25 rows is populated. Okay, now we can crash verified with the help of in that flat file where we give that locations, there we can give go and check it. Okay, now we'll see. We see that the locations of that flat file target before it is not present with any data. Now if I see that my target file, it will be present with that one file, it is presented with having that set of the records it's available. Okay, just click on that the particular files available in the list. Okay, now we can able to see our what are the datas available in the source, all the datas it's populated in the our target. This way we can easily find out how we can do that one-to-one load, that is flat file to flat file. Okay, we can get to know this one. Okay, in this upcoming videos we'll see that some other parts. Thank you.